Turmeric mixed with lemon offers a variety of health benefits thanks to the powerful combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory properties present in both ingredients. 1. Skin health. The antioxidants in turmeric and the vitamin C in lemon promote healthier skin. This combination can help in reducing acne, scars, and blemishes, and also provides a natural glow to the skin. 2. Detoxification. Lemon and turmeric together help in detoxifying the body. They support the liver in eliminating toxins and enhancing overall liver function, which contributes to better health and well-being. 3. Boosts immunity. Turmeric and lemon are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which strengthen the immune system. This combination helps in fighting off infections and diseases more effectively. 4. Enhances digestion. The mixture aids in improving digestion. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile, which helps in better digestion of food, while lemon citric acid helps in breaking down food more efficiently.